You know, it's amazing when you think about how much has happened and how much we've not been informed of, and how life goes on with or without us. And nature, she's fed bigger beasts than us, and she starved bigger beasts than us. She could do without us, right? So if anything, we need her. Now you take nature, and we really don't show any concern for nature, which feeds us and gives us that, all of that which we need. I guess what I'm heading towards is males, because man would understand, man would appreciate, man would dedicate, man would reciprocate. Males, egotistical males whose agenda is to send her far away from where we are comfortable and where we are able to live and sustain life, to take away the beauty that God has given. What kind of heartlessness would bring about this sort of, or would even dismiss the truth, the understanding that you don't play with God's handiwork. You just don't do it. You do not play with God's handiwork, because this belongs to God. When I see children suffer and hear the stories that have been hidden from us for so long, the only thing that gives me solace and causes me not to fear it is I know upon death God receives our spirit. And I guess I just share this because there's so much beauty in the world. Inside of us, we are the world. We are the people. We are the children. We are everything that is anything in the eyes of God. So I don't let it bring me down. I don't let it drill me and take me out. I see it for what it's worth. I don't focus on it. I don't lose my energy on it. However, I apply what I hear, see, and learn to me and those around me, and creating harmony for me to know that life is much more. Though it may seem, in reality, life is much more than just a dream. Yeah.